Have you ever thought about how the words you use impact your financial mindset? What if I told you that eliminating just one word from your vocabulary could drastically change your relationship with money? I'm a wealth educator with 22 years of teaching experience, helping you achieve financial freedom. Today, I'm going to talk about why you should stop using the word expensive. I deleted the word expensive from my vocabulary, and this is what happened. Words are ingrained in us by our parents and society, but they carry emotions, judgments, and even pain from the past. Expensive has a negative connotation. It often implies that you can't afford something because its price exceeds your budget. This word influences our emotions, making us feel negative about our financial situation. I've eliminated many words during my personal development journey, and expensive is one of the most impactful ones. We need to create the feeling of abundance first before we can manifest it into our reality. When you say something is expensive, you are subconsciously reminding yourself of financial limitations. I now use the term highly priced to describe something that is pricey considering the value it provides, while completely eliminating the concept of I can't afford this from my vocabulary. This shift has transformed my relationship with money. I no longer feel that anything is expensive. Instead, I feel I can afford everything I want. And as a result, my financial situation has improved drastically. It's essential to choose the right vocabulary that cultivates feelings leading to positive results. Vishen Lakhiani, the CEO of Mindvalley, explains this phenomenon in his book, The Code of the Extraordinary Mind. He highlights how changing the language we use can transform our experiences. For instance, in different cultures, people lack words to describe certain colors or feelings, leading them to not perceive those colors or emotions at all. Now, think about the words in your life that might be limiting you. For example, when you say expensive, you are effectively saying, I can't afford it. But what if you shifted your perspective to I can afford everything? I intentionally shopped at a designer boutique and coached some of my clients to do the same. Initially, they felt uncomfortable just being there. However, after purchasing an item they loved, their consciousness shifted from I can't afford this to I can afford it. If luxury shopping isn't your thing, that's perfectly fine. It doesn't have to involve designer brands. It's more about identifying something you admire or wish you had if price didn't matter. I'm sure there's something you love, a dream vacation, a family trip, or even the latest iPhone that you would indulge in if price didn't matter. I hope you get the point here. But remember, simply thinking I can afford it if I want to on a logical level won't shift your reality. Your subconscious mind must accept this idea as your norm in your life, not just your conscious mind. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.